Welcome to a new episode of Melt. I'm Ritvika Gupta, shooting from home. On the show today, we are taking a closer look at the 8th edition of the Curious Creative Awards presented by Zee with main partners ZEE5 and ABP News, supported by Indian Creative Women and Addict, that concluded last Saturday. This year, the awards received a record of 2,783 entries, which meant that the jury had a lot of work evaluating all the entries. Let's take a look at the jury. Let's now have a look at the award-winning work, beginning with the winner of the Black Elephant or Best of Show honors. This year, Curious Creative Awards rewarded the prestigious Black Elephant to the Not Just a Cadbury ad campaign for Mondelez India's Cadbury celebrations. Entered by Ogilvy India, it's a first-of-its-kind, unconventional concept designed to support local businesses. Take a look at the campaign.
Not just a Cadbury ad. We advertised not just for ourselves, but for thousands of small businesses across India.
Mom, I love it.
The idea was innovative, but the technology and execution was challenging. Most of the stores in India don't have a digital presence. So we had to manually feed our system to create a database of local retailers, mapping them to their location, which we identified through PIN codes. As the ad was served to an individual, an algorithm located the PIN code and then mapped the various local stores in that PIN code and served the one closest to the individual in real time. The AI-enabled system created thousands of permutations for the localized version of the same ad. So many that it is even impossible to track. This resulted in the first ever hyper-personalized ad ever. One that ensured every single person that saw the ad supported a local store. Because when all of us support our local stores, all of us can have a happy Diwali.
Coming out of the COVID wave one, we know that the whole country was swept with a feeling of, firstly, gratitude to say, we are safe, our families are safe, and there are people who are working tirelessly. And that was one broad theme. And the second theme was the fact that there was deep acknowledgement that there are parts of the community who are much worse impacted than many others, right? And there was definitely an intent of people to either reach out, to help, and more importantly also to feel that sense of compassion to impacted people. So I think at the time that we brought the campaign to life, it was evident that retail was affected, small-time businesses were impacted. And I feel that the tone and the earnestness through which we put out the message with indeed a desire to help, right, and not just about creativity. I think we worked hard to create a last mile connection, right? So we didn't stop just at the idea, but we ensured that there was a last mile connection. So we really meant what we wanted to say. I think those are the factors because of which I guess the idea has fared well.
When you come up with ideas like this, it's a bit of a complicated piece to put together. But what was amazing was that even for a tech idea, it was probably the fastest tech idea we've ramped up. And again, thanks to multiple partners here, Waymaker, DeltaX, everybody. I feel that this is a true example of partnership between different companies coming together on an idea that they really believe in. And I think the belief in the idea was exactly what people also loved when they saw it. This particular piece of work is very, very close to the three of us because first, I think it's done on a client that we have a fantastic partnership with for not just now, but over the years. And as times have changed, we have seen the relationship grow over the years. And as the need of communication has changed, we have seen us, again partner each other and keep pushing each other and encouraging each other to do something which really means something for the consumers, for their traders. And this particular idea stands for both.
Now let's take a closer look at the Z Equality Awards presented by Indian Creative Women, which is an independent forum working towards promoting diversity in creative teams across the Indian advertising and design industry. The award instituted this year recognizes work that has addressed and impacted gender inequality in India through innovative thinking. Here is a special jury for the Z Equality Awards.
Just for a little bit of context, India is a country of 600 million females. That's like a huge number. Yet we as a country rank 140th in the Gender Gap Index. So as an industry that takes pride in itself on changing behavior and is responsible for creating mass media, we have an immense power to close that gender gap. So rewarding work that creates real long-term change on a platform like Curious reinforces the need to keep doing that. And Curious, as we know, has been like a tall beacon of creativity and effectiveness. So it's only fitting that we include gender in it.
And here are the winners of the Purple Elephants or the Z Equality Awards presented by Indian Creative Women.
क्या बोला होगा इन्होंने?
क्या सॉलिड हॉकर डालती है यार। अमित रणजी खेलता है और वो भी स्ट्रगल कर रहा है। ये पक्का इंडिया खेलेगी।
जिस दुनिया में मर्द ऐसे बात करेंगे, उस दुनिया में औरतें हमेशा सुरक्षित और बराबर महसूस करेंगी। सोच बदले, बात बदलेगी। बात बदलने के लिए swayam.info पर लॉग ऑन करें।
Looks like the internet forgot how to internet. Because an image search of Desi Masala looks like this, when it should look like this. But guess what? We can change that result. Take a photo or screenshot of any Indian dish or spice. Upload it on any or every corner of the internet. Write Desi Masala in the caption. And then we wait. The more entries we get, the more chances that the search result will change. The more minds we change.
ये सिर्फ हमारी नहीं, देश की करोड़ों लड़कियों की कहानी है।
मैं है किस रेडी।
चलो भी चलो, जल्दी करो। है कि दीदी, साड़ी पहनाने की बात हुई थी ना, फिर वजन दिखाई दे रहा है।
अब इसमें भी दिखाई दे रहा है।
हुन तुसी जल्दी करो, लड़के वाले आ गए ने।
इससे ठकरो बेटा, जल्दी आ जा। मैं
कब तक चलेगी खूबसूरती की ये बदसूरत परख? आखिर कितनी खूबसूरती काफी है? डव, खामियां नहीं, खूबियां देखिए।
I think the Purple Elephant winners should be really proud of themselves for a few reasons. And I think those are also the reasons why the industry should keep learning from them. So a few important things that treat women as real humans and not broad target audiences that you make assumptions on, get deeper into cultural insights and not shallow ones, and make powerful work that questions decades of societal conditioning, traditions around you, that questions people around you. Work that can create real long-term cultural change.
Moving on, we are now going to take a look at the work that won Brass Elephants for the Creativity for Good category presented by Z5.
पैसे अभी रख लो, खाते में लिख दो। जो खाता आपके लिए हमेशा ओपन रहता था, उस खाते को आज अपनी तरफ से रखिए ओपन। एक्सिस बैंक, दिल से ओपन।
This year, only 114 entries won top honors, that is the Blue Elephants, that's just 4% of total entries received. The winners span over 50 brands. Let us first hear from some of the marketers who won big this year.
It is a validation of the quality of our work, right? And it spurs and it motivates the team to get better, both internally and externally. You're able to set standards. You look back and look at your legacy of work and you say, okay, this is the kind of work that wins a black elephant, or this is the kind of work that wins a blue elephant. And, we are putting out, constantly putting out pieces of work, right? So how this provides a very nice, very clear benchmark. And internally, we are then able to drum up positive competition, create that positive sense of dissatisfaction for people to say, okay, I need to really do more and more of this kind of work. And that's how I stretch myself. And as I said, it's all in purpose of driving creative effectiveness, which then helps us improve our ROI.
At Spotify, we are constantly working towards looking for newer ways to tell our brand story. Our creative process is not really about, cracking a great looking creative, but it's about adapting to newer technologies, newer platforms. It's also a lot about hearing from our fans through social listening that, what's happening in their lives. So it's a culmination of all of this. It does hold great relevance for us and our partners as well, because it's a true testament and recognition of all the hard work that we've put in.
You're looking at numbers and data and tech to help you more often than not. And while that's a very binary and yet rewarding world to be part of, equally it's really, really, really good to be rewarded on the right brain side of things by, like I said, a jury you respect in an award show which you think is so well put together. The good part of winning at KCA is that even a baby elephant holds a lot of weight for the entire fraternity, frankly. And that just made it that much more harder to win and that much more rewarding as such to get whatever you get over here.
Now let's talk to the agencies that won big at Curious Creative Awards this year.
Of course, we won the Black, and that's super prestigious, but we won the maximum awards that any agency has won. And I'm not even counting the production partners here. I'm just saying the awards that came to Ogilvy. The other thing that was really fantastic is that we won across teams and across categories. More than anything, I was thinking about it and I realized that, this year that went by has been so tough for people. Winning Curious is not going to nullify the troubles that people went through, but it is a spot of sunshine. And I feel that our teams deserved these smiles. They deserved that night of, feeling on top of everything.
This is the youngest award as far as India goes. And while it is an Indian award, what is wonderful right from year one, it brings in an international perspective because of the composition of the juries. We have some really, really wonderfully talented world names who are serving in different cultures. So that always helps. It's not that Indian work requires a validation, but I think it just makes the process of picking up the most deserving work that much richer.
I think let me start by saying if there is a creative award that holds the standards for India, is right now Curious. I think it's a great barometer to know what is the standard of your work in India. I think Curious has taken the position of being the foremost and the most prestigious Indian award show. And now that is important because, and we're sitting right now in the middle of Cannes, and you'll hear our agencies winning, and we're also winning. But I think the difference there is Cannes is a representation of your absolute brilliance. I think what an award, a domestic, a national award show does, it talks about not just how good you are creatively, but how consistently good you are creatively. So, and that's important because that's how you're building an agency. You know, an agency is built by being consistently good through the year, and you cannot be in the top at an award show like Curious unless you have been really bringing your A game to work every month of the year. It's such a delight, right? At a time when people are talking about how this industry is losing its relevance, is losing its edge. I don't think that night anyone could have sat there and said the industry is losing its edge. It was some really, really good stuff.
We don't enter, every other award. In fact, the only Indian award that Wunderman Thompson has been entering over the last 5 to 6 years is the Curious Creative Awards. And we believe that's the national benchmark. I wish more ideas won because I think this has been quite a difficult year for all of us. And I think the creative team and all the people at all the different agencies have given it their best in spite of the crisis, right, that we are in. And it's still not over. In the tough year, to shine some light on some great pieces of work across the advertising industry. And for that, Curious is probably the best platform. And it's great, I mean, for us to win so many blue elephants. We wish we could have won lots more and topped the table, but that is not to be. But maybe there's next year.
When you do work, honest opinions are very rare. People half the time, and like you put it up online, right? So you put it up online and the opinion is not necessarily real. So an award show in a way is like a neutral barometer for you to figure out if your work is actually good or not. And a lot of people work really hard on it. So it's nice to get appreciation for your hard work. Otherwise, what's the point? If you're not seeing other work and if you're not trying to be the best in the field, then what are you doing anyway?
Good Morning is a creatively driven production house, and for any true creative, I feel the highest appreciation for his or her work is most important. And I feel winning an award is the best form of appreciation that one can get. And winning an elephant at Curious is huge. It's clearly the most prestigious award in the country. In fact, it's counted amongst the big daddies of international awards like Cannes and One Show. It also attests the fact that our films have ticked 2 key boxes: great craft and effective communication. So it's a wonderful feeling to know that we've done a pretty good job and delivered for our clients.
I think it's a great start for us to enter Curious. It's highly motivating for the creative teams to really be acknowledged as, the year's best work. And I think our work was getting entered previously by clients or production houses, but I think now it's great that we've also started entering our own work, and it's great actually to see it in the mix of the year's best.
For MLLG, for decades, we had not entered, award shows and all that for certain principles and ethics that we all believe. The reason of this shift is obviously, I think we are also, it's a new team and we need new motivations. And of all the award shows, I would say that Curious is the one where we believe creatively most respected, not just in India, I think globally also. It's got certain It got a certain weight, it got a certain respect.
It was so encouraging to see that even without all the huge party and the networking and everyone having to fly down to Bombay, and without all of that, the work was still the conversation was kept to the work. The work was recognized, all kinds of work from all around the country, and I think that shows the value of the award. We've had fantastic years at Curious. We've had, I mean, if I were to talk like, just someone who's just worried about the tally, I can tell you that we've had great years and we've had not so great years. But I think at the heart of the whole thing are individuals who've really put a lot into their work. And like they say, a lion is a lion, an elephant is an elephant.
You can watch all the winning work at kca.curious.com, and our congratulations to all the winners. It also happens to be the week of the Cannes Lions International Festival of Creativity, where Indian agencies are having one of their better years. Dentsu Web Chutney leads the pack with 7 lions. FCB Interface too won 7 lions, including a gold. DTP Mudra Group also won a gold lion, while Ogilvy India won a bronze and a silver lion. VMLY&R won 1 bronze lion, while Chail India has won 1 silver lion. Lolintas won 2 bronze lions, while FCB Ulka won 1 bronze lion. Agencies that notched up shortlists include Famous Innovations, Mindshare, Leo Burnett India, Wonderman Thompson India, BBDO India, Chrome Pictures, Grey Group India, McCann World Group India, Taproot Dentsu, and VMLY&R. What's interesting to note is that some of the big winners at the Cannes Lions were campaigns that have won top honors at the Curious Creative Awards. These campaigns include the 8-Bit Journo by Dentsu Web Chutney that won 3 silver lions across creative strategy, digital craft and direct, and 2 bronze lions in the direct and mobile categories. The Punishing Signal by FCB Interface that won a gold and a silver lion for health and wellness, as well as a silver and 2 bronze lions in the outdoor category. Project Free Period by DTP Mudra Group that won a gold lion for creative strategy. The world's most reported trailer by Dentsu Web Chutney that won a silver lion in entertainment. The Better Half Recipes by Dentsu Web Chutney for Swiggy that won a bronze lion for creative e-commerce. Now Words Aren't Just Heard But Felt by Chail India that won a silver lion in the mobile category. Out and Proud Classifieds by FCB Ulka that won a bronze lion for sustainable development. Dove Stop the Beauty Test by Ogilvy India that won a silver lion for creative strategy. And Not Just a Cadbury ad by Ogilvy India that won a bronze lion for creative use of data. We'll have more on the performance by Indian agencies and the big Grand Prix winners from the 2021 Cannes Lions on next week's episode. Don't forget to tune in. With that, it's a wrap on this episode of Melt. Stay updated with all that's happening in the world of advertising and marketing with our daily Melt update on our website readytomelt.com. I shall see you next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.